misty out there. My wonderful people. Definitely not flying. Oh, this is a freaking screwed up hole. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna redo this whole stinking hole. That is messed up. Okay. Hook tip's bent over on that one. See what we get, that little bugger. Pretty crazy to think that like the fish are in this crap for how fast it's moving. But I had to change spots or do something different. Down there just wasn't anything really wanting to bite it. I caught a bunch of shad this morning, like 4 o'clock, and yeah, so I got plenty of bait, but kind of landlocked here where we're at. Nothing I can really do about it. There's so much vegetation and trees, and just nothing you can really get around. Tried a lot of spots today. To be quite frankly, they all sucked. But I'm gonna try this one. Let's see how well it is. Give them a snack size. Freaking crap. Oh boy. See if I can get him over here even. This one's gonna be a dandy. Oh, he popped off. Oh no. That one was a dandy too. Oh shoot. Well, that sucks. Can't catch them all, I guess. Wow, it was not hooked very good. back in over there. Darn it. Clicker off. Toter. Oh, gotcha, little feller. There we go. Nah, but dang. Ooh, feisty. Gotcha. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a dandy. How well he's hooked though. That's a nice one. That's a good sizer too. I'll be darned. Smoked him though. Thanks. Right? That's impressive.
but the anchor won't hold.
Yeah. It ain't gonna hold a bit.
There ain't here.
That's what I said, you gotta bob them.
That's an odd statement. No fires. Well,
Not up here.
no trespass. What?
Yeah, you just can't go up in there. They don't like you up in there.
So do you want me to stop right here?
Did you hit bottom yet?
You're at about 18 feet, Nate.
18.
There's a big divot right here.
Good. Oh, I'll tell you one thing I can do though, that I seen and noticed. We can stick a bait rod right in that freaking hole. Yeah.
Actually, I think there's 2 up here.
Is there? Oh, dude, there is.
Yeah, you can put all 3 of them out and then have a 4th one out.
That would be perfect.
Yeah, it's only. Yeah, 5 feet there. You're trying to look at my cock.
Only if I would have noticed that
I would have
months
just
ago.
Come over there and hold it for you.
Months ago.
Ew, sir, is your peeing in a river? Do you want a float or do you want the anchor out?
You can throw the anchor out if you want. I caught a bunch of these rinky-dink ones.
We caught them all last night.
I caught all these this morning.
Did?
Yeah. I replenished. It was early. Then they disappeared. Don't know where the heck the rest of them went.
I'm pretty sure we're anchored because we got 0 on speed.
Yeah, I think she's sitting pretty still. There's the bigger ones.
3:30. Perfect.
Oh, he's small.
Did you dinner though?
Well, maybe he got some weight there. Maybe. With the current, you never know.
It could just be a big one and not really try.
He picked up some weight. Yeah, he's small.
No way, you don't need it.
Small.
Hey!
He got my another one though, I can tell you that for free. I know, it's... Huh?
We'll put him back after we flam.
Is it stuck?
I'm guessing we're stuck on a log. It's dislodged now, but...
It was then, yeah. Nope, that about brings us to the end of it anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So that about brings us to the end of it anyway. Had a pretty good day. We caught what, one?
Yeah, I caught one. It's right underneath your left foot.
Yep. Not too bad. Not too bad for a day on the Mississippi anyway. Only got snagged like 6 times. Nothing really too impressive. Krant's up there whipping us.
Because that.
Whipping us into it, basically. Oh, that's an awesome log jam right there.